Today I'm in the garage washing my car. So this is my car. I call her Big Blue. Let's see if you can see Big Blue. I am now getting ready to do her tires. You may be hearing cars, birds. The garage door is open. You're hearing everything. So that's what it is. It's gonna be noisy. People with their music. Cars driving, music playing, birds humming, singing, people AC blaring. It is beautiful outside. So enjoy. This is the first wash. I'm going to do a rinse now. I just washed it right now. I am going to do a rinse. Yep. This is what I'm using to wash because I'm in the garage. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you do see it. The first one was the wash. Now I'm rinsing the car off. in my car. I'm gonna finish the rest, and then will be in a part of a vlog. Birds are making noise. Big bird on the other side of the lake. I'm outside. Such a nice day. Beautiful day. It is gorgeous outside today. The airplane in the distance. It is just gorgeous. That bird that was on the fence some day ago, I just see it out here eating, and it's two big ones, and they have two babies. Where did the babies go? They were just there. See, that's the big one, And the babies were in the water, but I don't know where they went. It is so nice today, so nice. If I see the babies again, I'll record. I just saw the mother and the babies. Let me see if I can zoom in. Here's the baby right there. That's a baby. And this is the mother right over. Where is she? She's in the water. That's the mother right there. And that's one of the babies right there. It's two of them I saw earlier on. And see what? See this one? It's carrying food to the other one. It is carrying the food to her. He went and get food and bring it to her. Did you see that? It went, get the food and bring it to her. That is beautiful. See, now she's trying to take it to the babies. Is that what it is? Let's see. She's taking it to the babies. She's going to feed her babies. This is so cute. Oh, I guess not. They can't eat from it, so she has to take care of it herself first. That's why there are so many snails, the shells on the side of the lake. There are lots of them and they're empty. So they go in there, get them and take them out and then eat the snail and then leave the shell on the outside. Because the male just went and looked for more. It went, bring that one to the mother, and there she is trying to break it open. See? She's trying to break it open. Is she stuck? I hope her beak is not stuck in there. No, it's not stuck in there. Okay. And then her little baby is next to her. One of her little babies. Nature watch right outside my backyard by the lake. See the one of the babies? Yeah. She has 3 babies, but only one is following her. Daddy all the way down there looking for food, and Mama is there with 3 of them, but only one following her. The 2 others will not move. They're like right there in the grassy water, right here. I don't know if you can see them. Now they're starting to go down now. I guess they realize she's not coming back for them, so now they're making their way out of the water. Oh, near this little one, it's picking its head. Go meet your mama, baby. Where's the other one, the 3rd one? You'll need to go meet our mother. Okay, see? Oh, they're smaller. Those 2 are very small and the other one is bigger. See? These are the 2 small ones. So it's 3. I thought it was 2 she had, but it's 3. Those are her babies. Oh, how cute. 2 of them, they finally left the water. They're gonna follow her, go to meet her because she's all the way down there. That's her right there. And the 2 little babies, well, it's 3 now. I notice it's 3. These 2 did not want to leave the water, and she is leaving them behind. Only one followed her. Now the two, see, they're all gonna be together. Here they are. So cute. They're gone. There's a duck swimming. He is swimming in the water. Let's see. Trying to stay out of the sun. Here's the duck swimming. She's gone.